Hi guys, this is just a really quick video. I've got a lot going on in my room. I'm redoing everything. I've got a makeup, my second bridal makeup appointment on Saturday, so I'm doing a whole overhaul of my makeup kit. I've got a couple of things arriving, new foundations and things like that that I wanted to restock up on. But I also wanted to just come on and say I'm bringing a couple of the berry blends with me on Saturday for her to try. It's like skin, hair and nails, and I'm also kind of going to bring her some of my omegas because it's like a radiance duo. So basically this is a trial makeup, so we're going to decide what we want, what kind of makeup she wants. I think there's going to be a hairdresser there where it's going to be so much fun. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. It's been so long since I've actually had a big gathering. Because of the restrictions now, we're able to kind of do what we can. You're actually on my, I've got my lighting in the background because I was testing it today because I'm going to be using it. So I was just to come on and say hello. As you can see, I'm starting to develop the Dove tanner, so that'll be my next video, which is going to be on Thursday. So it'll be up on Thursday at about 12 o'clock, and I just want to show you kind of the beginnings and the after. So I've recorded me applying it and doing it the night before, and I'm about to obviously do this morning. I recorded the end of it, and I'm really excited to tell you how I feel about it. So yes, that was the Dove Medium Moisturizer Tan, which is going to be in the next video. So just a bit of a catch up really, just to let you know about my website's links below for my makeup if you are in the Oxford area, or even London. I travel to London too, and Cambridge. So if you ever need anything there, I will put my Wixie below, which is like a makeup site that I've created. But I also have my email where you can email me direct, which people have done before too. And also if you would like to know about the Radiance Duo, which I'm taking at the minute, which basically is just omegas and the berry blends. So it's not a shake in any way, nothing like that, if that's not what you're looking for. It's just for hair, skin and nails, and the omega is just for brain function, concentration. You know, you need it throughout the day. If you're at home with the kids, or you've got jobs that you really need to concentrate on, or you've got 3,030,000 things going on at the same time, but it also helps your body and your your strength and your brains and things like that too. So Thursday, it's Tuesday today, so Thursday I will be doing the Dove review of the sun moisturizer tan. I got mine in medium, so I'll let you know. It's still developing today, so it's only about 9 a.m. so and I put it on at say 8 a.m. so I can see it's starting to develop slightly, and I have gotten a droplet that I put in my moisturizer that I want to talk about too. So yes, just a little bit of an update, guys. I'm really excited for Saturday, and we're going to have a whole kind of girly day. I was referred by my previous client, which is always really good, kind of confidence booster. So yes, really girly day. I'm going to go through I'm going to bring all of my things, particularly the Laura Geller, which I have sprayed, which I have put on my Instagram today, which you might have seen. I'm just loving it, guys. I'm loving it so much. Again, it was just it was a limited edition on QVC, and I'd never gotten anything on QVC before, so I don't think this is actually available anymore, this combination, but I think she does have similar ones on her own site and on QVC themselves, so I'll link them below. She is a really, really good, if you're going to get one expensive thing, never mind mascara, never mind anything else, if you're going to invest in one thing, invest in a combi pack with Laura Geller. And a combi pack means, you know, a couple of things in one, because you really are going to get the best kind of deal for your money, because Laura Geller, as we all know, she's brilliant, but they are on the high end, and I think she kind of broke out years ago with the bronzer, with this one here. This is the Baked and Brighten. This was what kind of really propelled her to popularity. So yes, I've got the combination. We have our highlighter, our blush, which complements any skin tone, and we've got our eyeshadows up there and 2 highlights too. So yes, I mean, I think she does similar things, so I will actually find a link below on her Laura Geller direct, but if you can get a combi pack like this, it's amazing. So yes, I'm off to do that. Again, it will be Thursday when I will have my video up. I'm really excited to tell you about how I feel about the Dove Self Tanner. I think getting a moisturizer one is really nice because you don't look overdone, you know, that kind of way. And then if you just get a little droplet that helps your moisturizer give you kind of a natural tan that you can kind of cleanse off at night, and then you can just redo it in the morning. I mean, it really is nice. So yes, I'll be doing that on Thursday. It should be up about 12 o'clock. I hope everyone's having a good week. Everyone's staying healthy and happy. I'm trying to keep my mental health up and going, and really kind of growing my business, something I've really just truly believe in, just as I believe in it just as much as makeup artistry and as much as helping, you know, children. It all kind of combines into helping people. So yes, I'm about to get all my makeup ready, kind of completely do my bedroom. Got my mirrors going, got my makeup case down below here. I hope you all have a great week, guys. Always message me on my email if you ever need anything, requests, or any of my email or my website questions, things like that, health, beauty. I've got a women's group in my juice class. It's amazing. It's women's only, not to say men can absolutely do. I love helping, you know, there's lots of guys that want to get fit, you know, just lose weight, which is great, but sometimes there's questions that women just want to ask each other in a women's group. You know, it's completely understandable. And if anybody wants me to create a men's group, I will, and I can always just create one that anyone can go into. But you know, particularly, you know, sometimes women just want to have that group, you know, particularly with COVID and we haven't been able to see people, and maybe you don't see a group of friends as much. This is just the perfect place to be. It's a meal planner, but also we all put videos up and we chat and we do exercises and just talk about our day. So I would highly recommend that too, so which I'll put below. So yes, I'm off to do this, guys, and I hope you all have a great week. Do take a look below at anything you want. Again, makeup artistry, the women's group, anything you want to do, that Vibrance Duo, which is amazing. I'm really seeing a difference. So yes, I will see you on Tuesday. Super excited to tell you about my results, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.